Welcome back! This is Lourdes Traveler Vlog again. For today's episode guys, gagala tayo dito sa Singapore Zoo. So tingnan natin yung mga animals, kung anong animals yung makikita natin. So kasama ko ngayon yung mga bata. Itong malaking bata. At saka itong maliit na bata. Ayun. So let's go. Papasok na tayo sa loob.
So, ayan. Singapore Zoo. So, doon tayo. Let's go. So, kids world. Skip into new world. Wow. See, Dana? See, let's go inside.
So ito yung ticket namin. Yan ang entrance. So, ayan, elephant guys. See, wow, very big elephant. See, wildlife. Wow. Wow, white crocodile and black crocodile. Plus monkey hiding there. There the monkey. Back only can see guys. See? Hi monkey! And that side. One monkey there oh. Sleeping. Sleeping. They're sleeping. See? Crocodile. Wow! Wow, what is that? Uy, what is that? Meow? Meow yan? Meow? Hindi ba yan meow, baby? What is that? Ano yan, nak? Where? Where? Oh, that's the name.
Wow, the monkey is swimming. Wow, the little monkey. Oh, that one is not a monkey. That one is not a monkey, Lala. So, no. A swimming good time. They're hiding already. Who's swimming? Oh, wow, he's cleaning. Oh, wow, he's a good boy. Wow. Little monkey. See, nagtatago yun. Oh, nagtatago. Ayun, nagtatago siya. Ayun naman ang isa. Masaya yung isa. Ano sinatago? Oh, wow! Wow, my little monkey! That's the little monkey! Ay, anak, hindi naman yung monkey, nak. Little monkey, what is that? What is that, Nana? Oh, wow! What is that? The eating! Oh, oh, oh! Kain sila, feeding time.
Years in the wild. More than 50 years ago.
Bakit ito tulog, what? Oh, wow! What's that? Wow! Gusto ko yung bata, baby ko.
isda.
Tago siya. Saan yung isa lumabas yata? Nalabas yata nila yung dulo. Dito na lang ginakulong? Hindi. What is that, baby? What is this? Wild Africa. Wild Africa, wild animal. Come. Come see. Huh?
You have friend na, Dana. You have friend na. Uy, you have friend. No, 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 no. No, no, you so right now. Ay, no, 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 baby. No, 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 no.
That's fine.
Sorry. Wow, cheetah! Wow, cheetah! Hi, cheetah! Hi! Kasi hi! Hi! Where's the zebra? Go! Where? Where the zebra? Go! There, 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 there. Good zebra. Where's the zebra? Where? There? Oh, there, the zebra. Oh, zebra. Oh, zebra. There, eating. The zebra eating the grass. The giraffe also they're eating the grass. See?
Picturean ko kayo, ma.
Bird. Small pig. Small pig.
There, Dana, the giraffe here. Come here. Dana, see the giraffe. There, there. They're eating the giraffe. Oh. Malilitin pala, nanganak. Ay, may diyakin pala dyan. Diyakin yung sakyan. Hindi, tataas mo. Bakit yung kanin sa sakyan? Uy, lumakad na si giraffe. Oh, si giraffe. Ano nga tawag yan? Giraffe yung isa, zebra. Ito yung kanina, zebra. Super taas. Oh, wow. Kaya gusto magkikit.
What is that?
What is that? Nak, may parrot nak, oh. Kan? Parrot, oh. Uy, what is this? Huh? What is that?
Where's the chicken? Chicken where? Where's the chicken, baby? Oh, hi, chicken. Say hi, chicken. Maraming parrot dito sa taas eh. Okay, come na, the side, the side. This side, this side. Oh, chicken. Chicken. Where's the chicken? Show to mommy. Where's the chicken? Chicken. Oh, squirrel. 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 Oh, cute naman ni squirrel, baby. Uy, baby, oh, pato. Duck. Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Where's the duck? Oh, duck. Oh, duck. Okay. Duck. Oh, duck. Oh, yung cute-cute naman ng duck. Oh, duck. Duck. Binabangga mo. No, baby. Duck. Ang cute naman ng mga duck.
Wow. Oh, bird. Wow, they're eating. They're eating. Kain na. Ano to na? Owl? Ay, hindi. Mauhuwi lang yan.
Si Batang Gala. Uy, wow! Si Batang Gala.
Kain siya ng watermelon.
Yung abat kumakain ng watermelon. Ang ganyan lang pala. Yan pala sila pag nag-ano. Paniki.
Bibi, no, dirty.
May mga parot doon niya to.
Nakasama ko dito na.
What is that? What is that, baby? Hmm?
It's a slow.
Haba ng kuko. Ah, ganyan pala. Naghahawak pala. May mga kalabasa din pala kinakain yan. May parrot. Parrot. Dahil parrot mo.
No.
Ah, sa kanya pala yan na lumipad yung parrot.
She's eating.
Pidana, no, baby, no. It's not yours. It's not yours, love. Yung parrot. Si parrot on the top, oh. Parrot. Parrot. Okay, kain siya ng mais, oh. Sinaamoy niya muna, nakikita mo namin, oh.
No, he's not.
Inaamoy niya muna kung saan yung gusto niyang kainin. May mga carrots pa siya. Oh. Yan yung mga pagkain nila nakabitay-bitay. Mga watermelon. Yung mga kamuti rin. What's that? What's that, Dana? Oh, what is that? Oh. She ate already. She ate already. See, look. Look. Video mo na ka?
You shy? Are you shy? Oh, you cute man, brown eyes man ikaw. Are you shy? Are you shy? Are you shy? Are you shy?
May anak yan siya dati, nakakupo doon, oh. Doon, hawak. Sige na.
Daddy!
Hmm.
Daddy!
Dana! Open yung mata niya, eh. Nakurin mo nga na kinano ni Dana.
So, ayan guys, tingnan nyo kung ano yung nasa likuran ko. Ang dami yung prutas, oh, nakakabit kahit sa ano. At saka dito naman sa kabila ay ang parrot. Kumakain din yung parrot. So, ang dami kayong makikita dito guys sa Singapore Zoo. So, ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga animal dito. So, abangan nyo yung aking bagong upload. See you! So, mag-enjoy muna ako dito kakapanood sa itong animals na to.
Okay. Ah, galing-galing si Batang Gala. Oh, ay, ang galing ni Batang Gala. Oh, ayo. Batang Gala. Batang Gala, gumala.
Hindi yung nilaga, uy. Small monkey. Hindi yung nilaga, man. Daras abutin. Eh, bakit may mga bustas sila? Ang cute naman yung emperor na may. Mahaba pa naman ang mga buntot.
then smell it, take a whiff. Can you smell that mustiness in here? Good. Okay, Matt, very good. If you can smell it, very good. Again, but it's not from the window. Okay, it's actually from the tree. Now, two at a time. Wow. Alright, last one. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for you. Thank you so much, guys. Okay.
Sweet and silent. Now also, notice the ways to fly. Pattern. For example, we sing 4 times and then fly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3. Alright, now, the reason why it's called a pronunciation bumping is because of the sound. It makes sound like a trumpet. But to be honest, it sounds Hello! What can I do with this happy ladies and gentlemen? Marshall? Hello, boys. Okay, I think they do have very powerful balls, you know, for them to execute and last but not least, a very powerful sense of smell. Okay. Talking about one more right there, playing this instrument, John and Marshall. Okay, thank you so much, John. And John, let's give a big round of applause. Okay, so you guys can see, our winter winner, Asian small clock author, Top Cookie Manu, Shani, and Club John and
Sa bulsa? May pusod ba yun dyan? Nakikita ko lang na dito kung doon.
How the house before like this. village house. Ito yung village house. Gutom ka na? Sige, open kami, open. Bang, bibi? Batang gala, batang gala. Batang gala, what's that, monkey?
Nie, jeszcze to weź nas. A, wy tyle znaczy.
Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow meow. Cat, da.
Village. Hadar Village. Baby.
Teams around the world, including Singapore, are working together to encourage taking to reduce. That's why they put Makaya and Upella together. I call them the love couple of Australasia. Do you think they'll have babies? I hope so. If indeed.
Wild guinea pigs in West Africa are endangered, but others live here and do pretty well. More than 10 have been born here in very simple. One single clap. Okay? We're going to try together to take that phrase, but you need to hear only one clap. So we're going to do it all together on the count of 3. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Something fast, something slow. Let's try it again. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. We're all so easy to sing. Okay, let's get to the dishes right now. Rachel. Rachel. There you go. Let's take it down the top control. Hey, come and sing it. We're not singing that one piece of dishes. They got a whole lot more on the features. And we're done all that. That's what we call is the audience. How many guys have helped appreciate this incredible animal diary today? Fish line, they get tangled around the body on the slip of the sea lion and cause something very painful, like a broken slipper. And an animal who spends a lot of time on the business can be very painful. What happened? How did you see that? It gets tangled around the sea lion, and the more they struggle, the tighter the net becomes, and that's what happens. Hi, Miss